Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's 9 pm bulletin. In today's top story, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has defended the integrity of electronic voting machines, EVMs, but raised concerns over the electoral process following Maharashtra's contentious poll results. Tharoor urged the Election Commission to ensure greater transparency in the upcoming elections to restore public confidence. Moving on to the political front, Priyanka Gandhi made a strong cultural statement in her parliament debut as a Wayanad MP. Analysts are optimistic about her role in shaping the future of Congress, with many highlighting her strong connection to grassroots communities and her promising political trajectory. In a disturbing trend, a surge in hoax bomb threats has disrupted India's aviation sector. These false alarms are causing significant inconvenience, raising concerns over passenger confidence and operational efficiency. The government is working on intensified measures to address the issue. In Prashant Vihar, Delhi, authorities are investigating the discovery of a suspicious white powder that led to a blast. Officials have assured the public that they are exploring all angles, including identifying the substance's origins and composition. Updates are expected in the coming hours. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has condemned the persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh, calling for urgent action from the Indian government. This issue underscores the growing vulnerability of minorities in the neighboring country and the need for diplomatic intervention. On the economic front, the Indian stock market faced a major setback today, with the Sensex plunging over 1,150 points. Investors are keenly watching global developments, including the US Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decisions, which could impact foreign investments into India. In Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde's son has praised his father's commitment to Alliance Dharma amid growing speculation over the Maharashtra CM position. Shinde's focus on governance and unity reflects his resolve to prioritize collaboration over power struggles in the state. There is also speculation over Uddhav Thackeray's potential exit from the Maha Vikas Aghadi following a setback in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Senior Congress leader Balsaheb Thorat commented that if Shiv Sena, UBT, decides to leave the coalition, Congress will respond accordingly. Meanwhile, Congress MLAs have authorized party president Mallikarjun Kharge to select a new leader of the Congress Legislature Party. The party is also pushing for a return to ballot papers, with former CM Prithviraj Chavan leading the charge to petition for reform in the electoral system. The BJP and its allies are currently negotiating over the Maharashtra CM role as the government formation process has been delayed. The Mahayuti alliance's strong mandate indicates their electoral strength, but the internal power tussle highlights the complexities of managing a coalition. A formal announcement is expected soon. Finally, in a significant shift in Maharashtra's political dynamics, the recent elections have left no room for defeated candidates to make a comeback. The results reinforce existing alliances and discourage opportunistic moves, signaling a new phase in the state's politics. That's all for today's bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates. Good night.